Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Redmi Note 11 Pro and 11 Pro 5G. Okay, for that, let me tell you first, if you want to resell your phone, you should remove the Google account first, because if not, the new owner cannot use the phone. I've done already a video for that. I will link it in the description if you want to have a look. Okay, let's reset the phone now. And for that you have to turn it off first and wait until it's completely off. Okay, and if it's completely off, we will need the power button for and the volume down button. So press these both buttons now until you see the Mi logo. If you see the Mi logo, you will leave the power button and just press now, or long press now, the volume up button. So, and keep holding the volume up button. Keep holding the volume up button. So, and then we are in the MIUI recovering system. Okay. Our finger touches doesn't work here, so we have to do everything now with the buttons. So the volume down key is to go down, the volume up key is to go up. To confirm, we will need the power button for. Okay, to make a factory data reset, we need to go now to wipe data. So one step down with the volume down key, and now we need to confirm with the power button. So now the phone is asking us if we are really sure. Yes, we are. So go down to wipe all data, confirm with the power button. Now he's asking again if we're really sure, because we will delete everything from the phone. Go down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button. So now the phone is deleting the stuff on the phone. It is pretty fast. Don't worry, everything is okay. Now you have to confirm to go back to the main menu. And now we have to reboot the phone. So if reboot is marked blue, confirm with the power button and confirm again to reboot the system now. And then it will take a few minutes, and that's absolutely normal. The phone will make the reset and will reinstall itself and so on, and then you can set up the whole thing with setting the Google account and so on and so on, as you have bought it brand new. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.